What if I told you there's a company in Japan that's going all in on Bitcoin, just like Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy? That company is MetaPlanet, ticker 3350.T, and it's quickly becoming one of the hottest plays in Asia's Bitcoin scene. In this video, we'll break down what MetaPlanet does, how it's betting on Bitcoin, and whether this could be Japan's next 10x stock opportunity. MetaPlanet is a publicly traded Japanese holding company that recently shocked the market by adopting Bitcoin as its primary treasury reserve asset. Sound familiar? That's exactly what MicroStrategy did in the US, and its stock soared more than 700% from the lows during Bitcoin's rally. MetaPlanet's move has sparked global attention because it marks Japan's first listed company to make such a bold Bitcoin bet. Originally, MetaPlanet started in the hospitality and technology sector, hotels, VR, and digital experiences. But as Japan's economy faced low yields and currency depreciation, leadership pivoted toward digital assets, seeing Bitcoin as a store of value against inflation and yen weakness. In 2024, they made headlines by converting part of their corporate treasury into Bitcoin, signaling a complete strategic shift toward becoming Japan's Bitcoin company. As of their latest filings, MetaPlanet has been steadily increasing its Bitcoin position. Their vision? To use Bitcoin not just as a store of value, but as a core corporate strategy that could attract global investors. With Japan's strict monetary environment and low interest rates, this move is both bold and brilliant. It positions MetaPlanet as a hedge against Japan's weakening yen and a gateway for traditional Japanese investors into Bitcoin exposure. When MetaPlanet made its first Bitcoin purchase, the stock surged over 90% in a single week. Crypto influencers, institutional investors, and Bitcoin maximalists worldwide started calling it Asia's MicroStrategy. Even though the company is relatively small, with a market cap under $100 million, the attention it's getting is massive.
If Bitcoin adoption continues to expand and Japan's retail investors start looking for regulated ways to get exposure, MetaPlanet could be sitting in the perfect spot. Japan is one of the most tech-forward economies on the planet. Combine that with government discussions around digital yen initiatives, and you have a nation on the edge of a Bitcoin adoption boom. MetaPlanet could become the flagship Bitcoin equity play in the entire region. When MicroStrategy started buying Bitcoin in 2020, everyone called it crazy. Fast forward, its stock exploded as Bitcoin rallied. MetaPlanet is following a similar playbook. Smaller scale, yes, but the model is nearly identical. The difference? They're in Japan, a nation with a massive savings culture and untapped Bitcoin potential. Of course, this isn't a guaranteed moonshot. Bitcoin's volatility means MetaPlanet's balance sheet can swing wildly. Regulatory risk is real, especially if Japan tightens crypto policy. And as a small-cap stock, liquidity can be low, so big moves up or down can happen fast. This is not a safe investment. It's a high-risk, high-reward speculation play. Despite the risks, many investors see MetaPlanet as a long-term asymmetric bet. If Bitcoin hits $150,000 or higher over the next few years, MetaPlanet's balance sheet value could explode, attracting institutional attention and liquidity from Asia and abroad. And if they continue adding Bitcoin through future raises or profits, they're positioning themselves as Asia's first corporate Bitcoin proxy stock. MetaPlanet trades on the Tokyo Stock Exchange, TSE 3350, meaning you'll need a brokerage that allows access to Japanese equities, like Interactive Brokers. For U.S. or Canadian investors, it may also appear on some OTC markets, but always verify the ticker and trading volume before jumping in. Remember, this is a speculative growth play, not a blue-chip stock. To recap, Japan's first corporate Bitcoin adopter. Small market cap, massive upside potential. Strong Bitcoin narrative connection. High risk, high reward play for bold investors. This isn't a stock for everyone, but if you're looking for that early stage moonshot, MetaPlanet might just be worth watching. Guys, I want to hear from you. Do you think MetaPlanet could become the MicroStrategy of Japan? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more high-growth stock analysis. Next up, we're looking at another company that could be the AI energy play of 2025. You don't want to miss it.